The right outdoor security camera can give you peace of mind, but choosing one isn't always easy. Whether you want an affordable camera, long battery life, smart AI alerts, or crystal clear 4K footage, there's an option for every home. Today, we're looking at the best outdoor security cameras you can buy. Let's get into it. If you're shopping on a budget, the Wyze Solar Cam Pan is an easy recommendation. At around $80, it combines wireless freedom with a built-in solar panel. Its 360-degree pan and 70-degree tilt coverage monitor a large area, while 2K video, color night vision, person tracking, and micro SD storage make it feel far more capable than its price suggests. Before we continue, please consider smashing that subscribe button. We're only sitting at 228 subscribers right now, and we're trying to reach the goal of 250 subscribers this month. If low maintenance is your priority, the Blink Outdoor 4XR deserves attention. Its biggest advantage is range, using the Sync Module XR to place cameras much farther from your router. You also get up to 2 years of battery life, 1080p video, motion detection, two-way audio, Alexa integration, and local storage. The main compromise is resolution. For Google Home users, the Google Nest Cam 2nd generation is one of the smartest choices available. Its 2K HDR video delivers detailed footage, while AI-powered features offer smarter alerts. The wired design means no battery concerns, but you will need nearby power, and the best AI features require a subscription. I've linked every security camera featured in this video below to check the latest prices and availability before making your decision. If you want the best balance of features and price, the Arlo Pro 2K 6th Gen is a fantastic all-rounder. You get 2K HDR video, a wide field of view. You also get a spotlight, color night vision, a siren, and two-way audio. Dual-band Wi-Fi improves connectivity. However, several of its best features require an Arlo Secure subscription. If video quality is your biggest priority, the Ring Outdoor Cam Pro is the one to consider. Its 4K imaging delivers exceptional detail, while enhanced zoom helps you see more from a distance. It also includes low-light color video and precise 3D motion detection. The downside is that it requires plug-in power, good internet, and a Ring Protect plan to save clips. Finally, the eufyCam S4 takes the top spot as the ultimate all-rounder. Its system combines a 4K fixed camera with dual 2K pan and tilt cameras, giving you coverage and subject tracking. It's solar-powered, includes expandable local storage, and keeps AI detection local with no monthly fees. It's larger and more expensive than most rivals, but hard to beat. Before we reveal the final rankings, let me know in the comments, which outdoor security camera would you choose for your home? Now it's time for the Honest Review Hub score. Wyze Solar Cam Pan, 9 out of 10. Outstanding value with solar power, wide coverage, smart tracking, and strong features for the price. Blink Outdoor 4XR, 9.2 over 10. Excellent battery life and long range make it perfect for large properties, despite the lower resolution. Google Nest Cam 2nd Gen, 9.4 over 10. Smart AI features and excellent Google Home integration make it a fantastic choice for Google users. Arlo Pro 2K 6th Gen, 9.6 over 10. A well-rounded security camera with excellent video quality, smart features, and versatility. Ring Outdoor Cam Pro, 9.8 over 10. Exceptional 4K video and motion detection make it one of the best choices for image quality. eufyCam S4, 10 out of 10. The ultimate outdoor security camera, combining 4K detail, tracking, solar power, local storage, and no mandatory monthly fees. If this video helped you find the right outdoor security camera, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another review. Thanks for watching. No hype, no bias, just honest reviews.